All right, this problem says a teacher wrote the number 43,125 on the board. A student wrote a number using the same digits, except the 2 in the student's number was 10 times the 2 in the teacher's number. So we need to find a number that is 10 times greater than the 2 in the teacher's number. Well, the 2 in the teacher's number is in the tens place. If we want to find a 2 that is 10 times greater than that, we know that each jump is times 10, so we would need to find a 2 that would be in the hundreds place. We'd need to find a 2 that would be in the hundreds place. Okay? It is 10 times greater than the tens place. So which one of these has a 2 in the hundreds place? You would have to look and find out. Let's look at another one. Number 11. There are 56,245 people at the North Carolina NC State football game. Okay. There are 46,529 people at the University of North Carolina football game. If Sarah were going to find the difference between the two numbers of people, what would be a reasonable estimate? Okay, so they're talking about estimation. What would be a reasonable estimate? Okay, if she's finding the difference, that means she's taking 56,245 and she's subtracting 46,529. Okay, what would be a reasonable difference between, okay, the number of people at both games? Okay, so once you figure that out, okay, you can go ahead and figure out which category that would fall in. And number 12. Okay, it says, it just says that you will need to solve these problems using the CMS Topic 2 assessment on Jamboard. Okay, so basically it's going to give you a problem and it is going to ask you to find the, to show your work 2 different ways. Okay, so I'm going to show you what it looks like. You're going to get a problem that's like 4,528 plus 2,775. You're going to have to show me the standard algorithm way. And you're going to have to show me a different way of solving that number. Okay, a different way of solving that. So maybe you drew it out with base 10 blocks. Maybe you drew 4,000s. You drew 500s. You drew 2 10s. And you drew 8 1s. Plus, you did 2,000s, 700s, 7 10s, and 5 1s. Okay? And you started adding them and combining them up, and you got the same answers for each. Okay? And then you have to do it the same way with this subtraction problem. So you have to do the standard algorithm, and you have to do it a second way. So maybe you did your base 10 again, Or maybe you played get to and you started at 1,918 and you got to 3,245. Okay? So you just have to show it two different ways.